Hi everyone. I just got my summer box in the mail on this very rainy Thursday. Hi Nala. Hi. I got my FabFitFun box. I'm gonna open it. Mommy's gonna open the box, okay? Here it is. I've already opened it. I was actually just reading through the magazine and looking at all the goodies that are inside. They always give you these coupons because some of their sponsors hook you up with stuff. This is, let me see, $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So if anybody needs a code, there you are, gifting you $15 off your first FabFitFun box. That's $200 plus worth of presents to yourself for just $35.99. It's definitely worth it. They are usually anywhere from $200 to sometimes almost $400 worth of goodies in your box, and it's a seasonal box. So if you want a $15 off code, there it is. I've had it up long enough for you to get the code, folks. Screenshot, and let's get to it. $80 gift card towards HelloFresh. I may take them up on it this time because I need some new food ideas, like for real. So here's my box. My husband got his first box as well. It's a woman's box, which I find kind of interesting. I thought that since they have a men's box, that they would give men who signed up a men's box, you know? But they gave him a woman's box. It's not necessarily masculine or feminine. It's like I peeked at the stuff they gave him, and he can use the things, but I kind of feel like this wasn't a box that was dedicated to men. I saw the stuff that was in the men's box this season, and that was definitely for men. And he loves grooming stuff and shaving stuff, so I thought he was going to get that box. So I am going to call customer service and see, you know what the deal is with when people sign up, like how that works. But anywho, outside of that, it's nice stuff. So I'm going to leave it up to him when he gets home from work. His box is sitting over here. I'm going to leave it up to him whether or not he wants to keep the box or like what exactly he wants to do. I mean, between y'all and me, I'm perfectly fine with buying the box off of him. It's got some good stuff in it. Like, this thing is also in his box. It is the Wish exfoliating foot mask. I am all about taking care of my feet, as is my husband, kind of, sort of. He has an issue with moisturizing, but, you know, this box should help with that. So this is an exfoliating foot mask. It makes your feet nice and soft, and it has intense hydration. Pardon the toddler in the background, y'all. The next item, and I will give you guys the totals of these things at the end. So this is a rose spray for hydrating the face. I love these type of things, so I'm really happy to have it. The next item, which is also in my husband's box, is a healing balm. I believe this is a lip balm. So, you know, it's summer is all about, glow and hydration and all that jazz. So this is nice. I'm cool on that. I like the skincare of it all, overall wellness and etc. So this item here is Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. And I believe my husband has this in his box too. So I'd love to, do some facials together. I think that would be nice. I've been encouraging him to do them. Pardon me. I got this cute little piece of jewelry here, but I'll show you guys that in just a minute. This here I thought was really nice. It comes with 4 in the pack. It's a rose gold brightening mask, and I believe my husband has this in his box as well. So, like I said, if he doesn't want the box, I'll happily, I'll take it. But anyway, this is from Ico, London, and it is a liquid liner. I mean, I don't use liquid liner that much anymore, but it's certainly not bad to have in your makeup kit. You know what I mean? So, no problem there. This is something else that's in my husband's box as well, and it's the Invisible. I don't know how invisible that would be in my hair, but since I kind of have a fro, the clear ones would definitely not be seen. I'm going to try them out. I've never tried these. I don't see why they wouldn't work in my hair, so I'm going to give them a shot. I don't know what my baby watching on this iPad. And then I got another towel, y'all. I love these beach towels. Like, I'm so happy that they gave me a towel. I always low-key want the towel or the blanket or whatever. Even in the winter box, I got a blanket and I use that at my job all the time. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, wait a second. Okay, hold on now. Let me move the box. I'm gonna lay this down. This is so cute. That's all that's in the box. I love the box that it comes in too. So pretty. But yeah, let me just pop this out of the way real quick. And let's lay this out so we can really see her. Like, this is awesome sauce. I didn't realize that that's what it was. When I was looking through the magazine, I was like, where's the box at, you know? I mean, the blanket, because they usually show a picture of everything. And I did not realize that this was the blanket. I saw it in there and thought it was just like some sort of decorative thing. But this, you can lay this on the floor. This is like a cute little, this is cute, y'all. You see this? This is pretty. Wow. This is beautiful. I'm going to save this for Nala's room. This is gorgeous. Love the colors. Actually, I don't know. This might end up on the couch when we get our place. It's such a lovely piece. I mean, this alone had to be at least the price of the box. This is nice. Very cool. It is not reversible. It is definitely a towel, but I don't see how you can use this as a towel. I feel like I would use this as a throw. They're calling it a towel. Like, it's so pretty. So I love this. My husband got the wine glasses. I'm gonna show y'all the other stuff that you could get in your box. Cha-cha-cha-cha. The total value of your box this time around was anywhere from $269.95 to $467.95. Are you kidding me? So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm just gonna point everything out that I got. And I'm gonna show you what my husband got. I'm low-key jealous and want to buy his art. So I got this. That's the towel. I didn't realize that's the towel. Yeah. Hold on, baby. What's wrong? What's wrong, Nala?
Drag your stickers onto the screen to build your farm.
Get your sticker. Put it on the farm. She's playing. So what I got in my box, I got the towel here. I got this pen here, this eyeliner pen. And this is the necklace, you guys. I don't feel like taking out the bag, so I'll just show it to you here. This is the necklace. Cute little gold thing. I got this balm here. And then I got the clay mask. I got the foot scrub, which is right here. Got the baubles right here. Is that everything? Oh, the all-day spray. Boom, the rose spray. So I got all of those things in my box. My husband also got this here. And I believe he also got the clay spray and he got the baubles. He got this hair cream. He got the wine glasses. And he got this Brazilian bum bum business here. He and I got the masks. And I don't know what he got from this because I couldn't really see. So I was trying to take a peek without opening his box per se. So I didn't really like dig deep in there. Oh, and he got the balm as well. This little balm right here. So, you know, we got a nice little, we got different boxes for sure. So I don't know what else he got. But, you know, we'll see if he ends up keeping it or not. If he doesn't want to keep it, I will buy it from him because he got a lot of stuff that either I would like to have two of or I would just want for myself. So I'll happily keep his box. And then during the summer edit, I can pick up some stuff from the men's box for him that was, you know, an equivalent to what he spent because he actually got, I think he got his for $10 off. So he only spent $40 while I spent $50. So yeah. Anywho, that's it for my FabFitFun box, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got your summer box. And if you didn't, I hope you decide to sign up with the code that I gave you, which I will happily give you again. Here it is for those of you who want to check it out. Get 15 off for yours. So I believe that is $35. I don't know if he got his for 35 or 40. I'll have to check. But anyway, here's the code. Definitely check it out because I believe this special code here is linked to me. So if you want to kind of help me out a little bit, there's some code. All right, you guys. See you later.